Hello, can I please speak to Mike Davies?
Right. Hello.
Mike Davies. You're live on the Red Eye!
What are you doing with me? What are you doing with me?
Mike, you cut out before, man. I had a couple of questions to ask you. Alright?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, so what did you think of the game last night?
I didn't see it. I was at a wedding.
You're a good fan.
Where are you?
Where are you at the moment?
What are you doing there?
I'm at Platy.
Pretty peculiar that you're talking to me on Monique's phone, huh?
I don't know what you just said.
Yeah,
That wasn't fun.
Yeah, never mind. Hey, we've been telling jokes all afternoon. The theme of the show is jokes. Mike Davies, do you have a joke for us?
Oh, no, sorry.
You weren't? That's what Jamie said.
What about something before? That's a joke.
One Scott Davies.
There's only one Scott Davies. One Scott.